Mula sa mga personalized gifts hanggang sa mga cute na collectibles, patok na patok ngayon ang mga anik-anik na may iba't ibang designs. Kilalanin natin ang isang student entrepreneur na ginawang isang maunlad na negosyo ang kanyang creativity. Panoorin natin to.
Hi, Reese. Good morning.
Hi, good morning po.
Okay, Reese, tell us more about your business.
Basically, I make pins, stickers, posters you can put up on your wall, and mostly all of them are my designs po.
So it's really more of giveaways for birthdays, for events, for corporate events.
Yes po, and I also naglalatag rin po ako sa school. I sell my work at school when I have free time.
Reese here is an incoming third-year college student. So napakaaga mo naman nakapasok sa mundo ng pagninegosyo. What made you decide to enter business industry at the same time you're studying?
I have a lot of friends who are also in the business, in the same business as I am, so they inspired me to do so.
So how do you manage or balance your time, you being a student at the same time business owner?
So I balance it with working on the side at weekends, and I learn at school at weekdays.
I'm sure so many people right now are inspired by you kasi nakakatuwang isipin, no, at a very young age, ang isip natin pag ninegosyo, kumita ng extra na pera. Gusto namin malaman yung real reason why did you enter business? Is it because this is your passion? Is this something that interests you, or you really want a side hustle?
I wanted to contribute to my family's earnings. So, and para magkabaon din po ako na extra.
Advice can you give dun sa mga students din na gustong pumasok sa ganitong negosyo?
Have friends that support you along the way, because I had a lot of friends who pushed me to do so.
Kasi isipin mo, no, you don't really have a background in business, but you just started it. So ano ba yung parang pinaka-take away mo dito sa naging buong business journey mo?
Basically, my takeaway is that it's very hard when you're starting pa lang. So, you need to have a lot of support from your friends, from your family that will support you throughout your whole journey in making your business from the start up to the top.
Why do you think it is important for Filipinos, to enter business?
As a student, it also helps you to be ready in the future to be immersed in the business. Kasi when you enter the real world, it's very different from the world na nakagisnasan mo nung bata ka.
Oras ang pinakamahal na currency. Kapag ginastos mo sa maling tao o bagay, hindi na yan babalik. Kaya spend your time wisely o kaya mag-business ka na lang. Samahan niyo ulit kami sa susunod na episode, mga kanegosyo, para sa another business story na ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Kaya naman tara, negosyo tayo!